stow laptops for landing, as well as restow any carry-ons that you may have taken out during the flight. Please raise your seat backs and tray tables to their full upright and locked position and fasten your seat belts.
Now for Southwest Airlines and this flight crew, welcome to Fort Myers. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and the carry-on items under the seat until we reach the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt time.
All right, enter the room and lock out. Cheese! Welcome home. Woo! It is cold in here. We've made it. We've made it.
Welcome to Miami, Florida. This is our 7-night cruise on the Norwegian Breakaway. Join us as we take you along on board for some fun in the sun and tropical island vibes. Day 1 consisted of getting acclimated with our ship, unwinding, and of course, the sail away party. We had breathtaking views of Miami and South Beach right from our balcony. Day 2 was a full day at sea. We enjoyed the pool deck, water slides, and of course, the food and drink on board the ship. Later that night, we attended the 80s party where we found Michael Jackson himself. Day 3 was our first port day, Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. We took in the breathtaking scenery and landscape as we drove through the city of Puerto Plata. We made sure to make the most of this port with an action-packed dune buggy trip through the jungle and countryside, all the way to the refreshing beach. Once we reached the beach, we were able to clean off for our journey back. We got absolutely coated in mud and loved every second of it. On day 4, we sailed to St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. The weather was not cooperating on our way into port. However, it blew by as we quickly approached the dock. Here in St. Thomas, we mostly did sightseeing, shopping, and best of all, dining. The Smoking Rooster was such a delicious barbecue restaurant and located so conveniently right next to our ship. We highly recommend it. Our next stop was in Tortola, part of the British Virgin Islands. Today we decided to check out what the port had to offer and soak up the mountainous views. Later that night, we broke out our dance moves and glow sticks as we danced the night away at the glow party. Day number 6 was our second and final sea day of the cruise. This was by far our most chilled day on board as we prepared for the highlight of our trip at the next port of call. We did various activities around the ship, such as bowling, darts, arcade, and shows. Welcome to Great Stirrup Cay, Norwegian's private island in the Bahamas, which is located right next to Royal Caribbean's island Perfect Day at Coco Cay. The unique part of this island is that there is no dock and you need to take a tender boat to get ashore. Once you step foot on the island, you won't want to leave. There is plenty of room to spread out and relax, even with 2 ships visiting at the same time. After that, we took a short boat ride to a remote island for the excursion of a lifetime. This is swimming with the pigs. On this excursion, you will have 1 hour to feed them apples, take photos, and go swimming with the pigs on Treasure Island. Don't forget to bring water shoes. And there you have it. Our last 7 nights on the Norwegian Breakaway have come to an end. Last but not least, we took a quick tour of Miami before heading back to the airport. We hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next.